I never made it, but I know what it takes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I want to show you everything I got for 1,000 Rand at Signature Cosmetics and Fragrance. So stay tuned for that.
This world and right on time.
So I went to Signature and I got me a whole lot of ish for 1,000 bucks. Okay, a little disclaimer is that one of these things is a new brush because I didn't, like, my old one got lost. So this isn't included in like the products haul or the makeup haul, but everything else, girl, some good stuff in here. So I was trying to do like a lower end makeup haul just to show you guys what's out there and how cheaper you can go instead of like the fancier brands. So I went to Signature and look at this bag is full of makeup and goodies. So let's see everything that I got. I'll empty it out here. Or actually no, let me empty it one by one. The first thing that pops up is a gift. So after whichever amount of purchases, you get like a makeup bag. So this was a gift that came with the purchase. And it's a really cute bag actually. It has all this sequencing thing in the front. And then it says must-have makeup. So yeah, that's cute. Then we have Signature press powder. I had to choose one that was translucent just so that it doesn't give an extra tint to my makeup, whether I'm highlighting or contouring. I don't want it to just blend everything out. So translucent powder is key when you're doing your makeup on a budget, so that you just need one powder instead of like 2 or 3 different toned color toned powders. Yeah. Okay. Next I have, oh, this also is not included in the makeup haul. It's just a nail file that I needed. Then I got this Natural Beauty. It's a trio powder contour and highlight in the dark. This was 65 rands. And it looks like this. So it has a really nice lighter tone, a darker tone, and then a shimmery mix. So you could totally highlight and do a lot of cool, fun things with this color. Love. Okay. Then we have the Exotic palette from Signature. This I thought had a really nice pink color in. Oh, it's got another packaging. Oh, and I also asked the guys at Signature if they would let me film a tutorial with them, and they agreed. So that's coming soon, so stay tuned. So this is the Signature palette. How gorgeous are these colors? Like, they are beauts. And the one that really drew me was the cerise pink. This color is so beautiful. So I'm gonna do like a really pinkish spring summer look with that, and I'm very excited. And then the other nice thing is that it has all the shimmery colors on top and then all the matte colors on the bottom. So you could totally use these for like your transitions, your crease, and then these for the pop of color on top. So that's exciting. Then I picked up these 2 products, the primer and the Fix Spray. Obviously self-explanatory. The primer helps your makeup glide on way smoother, and the setting spray helps it set so that it doesn't move around or like sweat out and stuff like that. So that's good. Let's see what they look like inside. The primer comes like this, and the setting spray looks like this. Ooh. So that's gonna be good to try out. I'm gonna do a signature only makeup look. And then I'm gonna do a 5 items makeup look with signature. So like the cheapest, least amount of makeup, which still gives you a really good look. I'm gonna do those videos coming soon. Okay, then I got a curl defining mascara. This is obviously also signature. And okay, I'm gonna list the prices all in the description box because now I can't keep track. So this is what the mascara looks like. And it's set to define your curls. Okay. So that's that. And then I got a lipstick. This is purple color, dark purple number 7. And it looks like this. This is also a really fun spring summer color to do. So it's probably going to be part of my spring summer look with like 5 products or less. Then I got another regular pencil. This is an eyebrow pencil. So it has the pencil on this side and the smudgy thing on this side. And this could be used to line your eyebrows, but also to like fill them in and smudge them out. So this is a 2-in-1 if you don't have like if you don't have a, what's it called? The brow kits. Okay, then I got a 6-color eyeshadow palette, which again, I was so drawn to the purples and the pinks this time around. So all the other colors are like browns and matte dark colors, and then these two, a mauve purple and then a brighter purple. So I can't wait to use those. Let's see what they look like up close. Ooh, so cute. Can you see how cute that is? These 2 colors, yes. Okay. Then, what else do we have? Another lipstick. Oh no, this is a concealer stick. Okay, so I thought if you're on a budget, you don't want to buy like bulky stuff, like another set of foundation that you have to mix or something. So just go for like a small concealer stick. And this will let you blend out your makeup. Oh, it's still sealed. It will help you blend out your makeup and possibly highlight in areas that you need a little glow up, you know? So definitely go for like 1 foundation and 1 concealer. Then I have a signature palette, another palette. This is a lippy palette, but you know what they say is that you can use the lippy palettes also as eyeshadows. So that's good. Ooh, nice and bright. How beautiful. I'm so excited. So apparently the 1 color here is the lipstick, but if you want to use any of these 3 colors to tint the lip, then you can dab them in here and then do a lip, or else use these as shadows. So again, I really can't wait to use these as like bright eye summer looks. This is such a cute palette. Then I got, what's this? A blush, plum wine. So it's a blush in a color called plum wine. And yeah, pretty straightforward, basic blush. Also, again, like a pinkish tone. You can see a trend here. There's another lipstick color. This is in a mahogany. Oh, I love this depth and richness. It's like a wine, okay, not wine, but like a mix between wine and burgundy. Well, it's mahogany, I guess. So they had a special with lipsticks. I think you get 2 for like 50 or something. So I think I got another one in this, what color? This one doesn't say, but it's another gorge pink color. Can you see that? So gorge. A nudie pink. Almost kind of what I have on, but a little lighter. So I really can't wait to do summer looks. Then I got a gel lash eyebrow kit. Okay, so this is to do your eyebrows, but it's also like a liner and definer to do your lower duct. So define your eyes and brows. Okay. I so can't wait to use all of these. Oh, this one is sealed. Okay. And there we have it. Okay, the packaging to open them is not the best. But anyway, these are the 3 colors. So there's a black, a dark brown, and a lighter brown. Then you can, like, you know, tight line your eyes or whatever. Or do your brows. So that's good. That is good. Then we have the foundation in a Caramello Extra Cover Stick. So another good thing with the sticks or with a low budget is to go with sticks, because you don't have to apply them everywhere. You can literally dab your spots that need concealing or foundation, and then you can add more or less depending on how much you need. So, and you can also blend this with your concealer. So that's the foundation stick. And then we have another lipstick. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got 4 of these then. This is dark berry, and dark berry. Ooh, very dark. So this is almost like that goth black lip look. Can't wait. I've never done that look before. And a eyeliner. Pretty basic, simple eyeliner to line your eyes, obviously. And that is it. Our plastic is empty. So you can see that I got all the basics to do like a face. There's eyeshadow palettes, there's brow kits, eye pencil, liners, there's a foundation and a concealer stick, there's a few lipsticks, and we have some loose translucent powder to set the face. We have a primer to prime the face and a setting spray to complete the look. So girl, don't say I didn't tell you, and you ain't got no excuse to look cute this summer, because Signature Cosmetic got you. And that is all. I will see you guys in my next video when I actually do a look with these products, and I can review them in a little bit more depth if you want, but let me know. And yeah, don't forget to check out my giveaway, which is still on for like another week, and enter that. And I'll see you guys really soon.